What's the meaning of bulky? Bulky. Bulky.
Bulky. Bulky. Bulky refers to something that is large, heavy, and difficult to move or handle. It often implies a sense of unwieldiness or awkwardness due to its size or weight. When something is described as bulky, it usually suggests that it takes up a lot of space and may be inconvenient to maneuver or transport. For example, a piece of furniture or a package may be considered bulky if it cannot easily fit through a doorway or lift. Similarly, clothing made of thick or heavy materials may be referred to as bulky due to its overall size and weight. Overall, bulky conveys the idea of something being substantial and potentially cumbersome.